Echecho nigo mugabana nyaribo boiganyareko bagakwenekia buna ebunge ye county eyo asomotenye ogocha nigera chikobo kweneke nyareko bage kobeko muswanda ora chikobo kwenekiwa buna oko bwato kwa maliogo na bego bontumekiwa maliogo kera asenya gitari onyareko bago koba bumoroberio.
As a government, in a very short time, maybe next month, which is next week, we are sending a bill to the County Assembly of Drug Revolving Fund, RDF, which will ensure that all the time we'll be having drugs. We put money in the fund, and any money generated from those drugs, will go straight to the fund again. So I urge the County Assembly to do it as fast as possible, so that come July 1st, we have this act.